Normally, I put hair dye on my eyebrows. It looks like a Barbie doll. So cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Coco again, and for today's video is I'm gonna show you how to dye your hair using Beautylabo again. This is my second video, and this is the color Silky Ash. Ta-da! Alright, so as you can see, my hair has like black tinting. Alright, so yeah, I'm so excited for me to use this, and I haven't tried this color yet. So alright, let's get it on and open it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It has a tumbler, instructions, you need to read it. If it's your second time like me, you don't need to. This is the developer, the hair color, and this is the conditioner, and this is the gloves. So we're gonna cut it. First, we're going to open our gloves. This is made of like rubber. By the way guys, if you're gonna buy Beautylabo, this is just gonna cost you 399 pesos. Ta-ding! I love it. We're done. Ting! Let's open this developer. So let's open this this the developer. So this is the hair color. So let's open it. There you go. Open this. Yeah. All you need to do is just to pour it in a tumbler. Ta-da! So 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And then close it, and then shake it on to make sure it's completely closed for like 30 times. So, or for as long as it bubbles.
2,000 years later.
More. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So this is gonna turn out like this. So it's like it bubbles. It's like a whipped cream, and then put it on our hair. Ooh. Ouch, my scalp. Oh, it has black, so I have to put it more here. Whoops. So that is just easy as ABC. Pour it, shake it, apply it. Alright guys, so we're gonna wait for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna play Mobile Legends, and I'm using Chang'o. Normally I put hair dye on my eyebrow.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the
street. Oops. Alright, so let's wait. Ting. So I'm gonna go to an event, so that's why I'm coloring my hair using Beautylabo. So ta-da! So I wash my hair. So ito na siya. 1, 2,
let's get ready
3.
to rumble!
That's it. Wow. So it has turned my black hair into ashy color brown. Look at this. Can you see it? And also you can see my eyebrows, so it has made my eyebrows brown. It has no eyebrows makeup, so can you see the difference? So the final touch would be this is their hair treatment. Okay, so let's just put a small amount as it says on the instructions. Gonna make your hair very smooth and muted. So I'm gonna have my hair blow dry. So you can't see it in the camera, but I can see the difference. So it has made my hair brown, my roots. So very good, very good. I love Beautylabo. As if I have gone to a salon, even if I just paid 399 pesos for this hair color, Beautylabo. Very good. Alright guys, so that's it. This is my hair and it's so smooth. So after you have applied the treatment, it's gonna make your hair very smooth and shiny. So look at my eyebrows. That's it. Alright, so picture. So this box, by the way, so the content of one kit will color shoulder length. So if you have long hair, like up to the here, breast part, okay, so you need to get 2 boxes of this Beautylabo. Okay, it's my second time using this whip type of Beautylabo hair color. Yeah, and I love it. Okay, starting my hair, it looks like a Barbie doll. So cute. So guys, this is the color of my hair after it was washed. I'm currently at the event, so yeah, that's it. And that's it guys. So if you do have any suggestions, please comment it down below, and like the video of mine, and yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya on my next video. Bye.